Hi, myself Karthik from AdvanceTech India Private Limited, and today we are going to show you a latest lecture recording and video streaming solution. We are having different hardware solutions, like there is an interactive panel involved in which different PPTs, different presentation about your company and different lectures as per the application of your organization can work. Second solution in this is a live video recording camera, which is a PTZ camera, and it can auto track also, and it can rotate at different angles as per the audience and presenter. Third thing is a mic system in which I am speaking, and it is showing the clear volume to different screens. Fourth thing is a lecture recording and streaming device, which is below attached here, and it can be directly interfaced with your interactive planner. Last thing is a laptop and a podium in which a presenter can come, he can give the presentation, and the same presentation can be simultaneously live streamed on YouTube, on Google Meet, and on different portals, and people can live stream it and record it for future use. So as we can see that the lecture we were giving, now this is a separate office, for example a director office or an HOD office, and they can also live stream on a big panel like this. The presenter who is giving the presentation, or the teacher, what he is giving the presentation, and the entire layout application, like the name of the organization, the logo of organization, and different headings. This is all customizable, so you can edit according to your organization, and you can live stream the entire presentation or lecture, and you can also store it. So this is the main feature of this lecture recording solution which we are offering, and this is a very useful operation for universities, colleges, training centers, and army institutes of training, where regular lectures are given and they can be stored and they can be live streamed on YouTube, on Google Meet, on different platforms. Thank you. Now the main application of this video streaming and lecture recording solution is that any people, n number of people sitting at different places can live stream it through YouTube, and the same thing is stored for future provision. You can see multiple screens in the form of mobile phone, in the form of a laptop, and in the form of a desktop. They are live streaming the same lecture which is being presented below, and entire lecture is being stored.